Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook video icon missing. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on profile on the top right. Then you simply need to scroll down and here you can see video. So how you can get that on the top. So you simply need to click on settings and privacy and then you simply need to click on settings. Here you need to click on navigation bar, click on customize the bar and here you can see video. You simply need to click on that and you simply need to paint that. So after that it will be shown on the top navigation bar or you can say shortcut bar. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.